Seeing smoke coming from under the hood is terrifying. But knowing how to quickly distinguish between an overheating engine and an active fire will save your vehicle and keep you safe. The immediate solution is to pull over, shut off the engine, and carefully assess the color and smell of the smoke to determine your exact next steps. White, sweet-smelling smoke or steam billowing out is a classic sign of an overheating engine. This happens when pressurized coolant leaks from a blown radiator hose, a cracked plastic tank, or a failing water pump and hits the scorching hot engine block. If you see this white steam, do not pop the hood immediately. Let the engine cool down entirely before checking your coolant reservoir levels or inspecting the hoses for visible splits. Blue or gray smoke carries a sharp, bitter smell and points straight to an active oil leak. When engine oil drips onto a blistering exhaust manifold, it instantly burns off and creates this distinctly colored smoke. You will need to inspect your valve cover gaskets and oil filter housing for fresh drips once the engine is cold. Driving with a massive oil leak will quickly destroy internal engine components due to extreme friction and lack of lubrication. Black smoke that smells like burning rubber or melting plastic is a massive red flag indicating an electrical short or a rapidly failing serpentine belt. A seized accessory pulley can cause the rubber belt to drag and melt, while burnt wiring harnesses pose a severe immediate risk. If you smell electrical burning or see thick black smoke, keep the hood closed, get away from the vehicle entirely, and contact emergency services. You should never attempt to extinguish an engine fuel or oil fire with water. Keeping a Class B or C fire extinguisher in your trunk is the absolute best defense against sudden fuel line or electrical fires. Identifying the exact fluid leaking onto your hot engine components early prevents catastrophic failures and ensures you are ready to replace the exact gasket or hose causing the issue.